Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to join teams with meeting ID and passcode. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Microsoft Teams, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, joining a team meeting with an ID and passcode typically associated with platforms like Zoom or similar conferencing tools can be necessary for several reasons. In terms of the Microsoft Teams, you would have to have an ID and passcode combinations provide an additional layer of security to ensure only authorized participants can join the meeting. Now, the code would be given obviously by your company, by your client, by your boss, or your collaborator, and basically just launch the Microsoft Teams desktop application or go to the Teams on the web. Just go to teams.microsoft.com. And the next thing that you need to do is go to the left side panel of your dashboard and click on the calendar tab. All right, on the left side bar to view your scheduled meetings. If you don't have one, all right, well, all I gotta do is get the meeting ID because that is where you need to put in the meeting ID. All right. After that, it is also known as the meeting link or URL, and you can directly paste it into the Teams app or web interface. Obviously, you'll be needing the meeting passcode, and after doing so, just click on the join meeting. That's one way for you to be able to join. The next option is now when you go to the Microsoft Teams homepage, you would be welcomed by this option. You can join a Teams meeting right away. No artsy-fartsy. Just enter the meeting ID. And the same thing with the dashboard earlier. Just enter the meeting passcode. And of course, click on that. You would be straightforward to the meeting conference hub. Now, if you have questions like where you can find the meeting ID, obviously, this is where you find it. All right. Now, you can successfully join any Microsoft Teams using the meeting ID and passcode provided for secure and efficient collaboration. The thing is, before joining, I suggest you test your audio and video settings to ensure you are ready to participate effectively. Not only that, you made sure that you have, of course, a stable internet connection to avoid disruptions during the meeting. All right? Now, remember that you need to have the meeting ID and passcode handy from the meeting invitation or calendar event to avoid any disruptions or interruptions, all right? And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.